Hello, I'm Mark Vinson. I'm the jeweler at Treasures Fine Jewelers. I've been at the bench for over 40 years. Went to school at Oklahoma State University. Taken several Gemological Institute of America courses, including diamonds and gem identification. Been in the jewelry business since 1976, and I'm currently the jeweler here at Treasures Fine Jewelers. We have a very friendly and professional staff that would love to meet you the next time that you need any kind of repair, light custom work, or restoration, which is kind of my specialty. Come by and see us. We'd love to have you in our store. Thank you.